run One Crafty Girl blog. I wanted to create a little bit more video content for you to make making DIYs a little bit easier. So welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making this silk scarf bag. A lot of people on Instagram are really curious on how to tie this guy, and I'm telling you it's super easy to make. So all you need is a purse closure that kind of looks like this. I think it's called a lobster clasp. A silk scarf, which you can get from the thrift store, some pins, and some glue. So we're going to head over to the DIY now. My Instagram link's below. You can follow along for all of the other fun DIYs there. Thank you. Well, we're going to only need 3 things, optionally 4. A nice silk scarf. This one is in the shape of a square, but a rectangle works just as well. A smaller purse with a clasp that looks similar to this. Some pins and some glue to secure. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to line up the purse to the top edge of the silk scarf here. And using a pin, I'm using big pins here so that you can see, we are going to secure the inside of the bag to the purse. So as you can tell, plastic probably wouldn't be the best material. You might want to use glue if the purse is made of plastic, but it will just work just as well. We just want to make sure that that top edge is going to be covered. So then we're going to leave it a little bit open, and we're going to take this top part here and fold up again to meet the lip of the bag. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take this little bit, secure it on the outside. Makes it much easier this time. Sometimes you're going to have to add, this one's a little longer, so I would even add a little pin over here and a little pin over here, just so that it doesn't get droopy. Great. So then we're going to fold this guy back down, and as you can see, ooh, I got him a little puckered here. Awesome, so we'll just leave that. It comes down perfectly to meet the edge of the bag. So then we're going to take these guys and we're going to bring them in, kind of tucking that in, that extra. Perfect, so then your bag should look like this. Then we are going to tie these just once so that it looks like this, and then we're going to take this extra little piece and tie it in when we tie again to secure it. We want to make sure these sides are nice and secure, and then you can just tuck that under. So now you have a really cute, fun bag. The color is a lot more vibrant this way around. I'm going to take our thrift store clutch, which as you can see I got for $1.99, and I'm going to put it right along the edge here. That way when we fold these 2 sides in, it's right in the center. And this goes for any shape bag as well. If it was a bigger bag, I would use a bigger scarf, but that goes without saying. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the clutch and pin, and I'm using big pins here just to kind of show you, to secure. So once here and then all the way through. That way when we're moving it around, we know that the top of the scarf will be right at the back of the clutch so that none of the old bag will show through. Next, we're going to take this and put it right up to the top. And we are going to pin, do the same thing right at the top, and this flap is going to hide it, so it's going to be awesome for us. That way we don't have to see any of this. Great. And so here obviously too, this is where you would glue. I'm not using glue for the sake of this tutorial, just because I want to show you the tying is the most, and the pins actually just help keep it in place. I actually still have pins in my original bag, but you know, if you have children or you're very clumsy, I would definitely recommend taking them out. So the next thing we're going to do is fold these guys up. Great. And tie these in a bow. Just once. Great. So now as you can see, it looks like this.